Thanks for tuning back into my channel. We're out in the back under the canopy of my my PE 197 and Ben-Hur trailer, and we're going to do a quick recap. I've already done the hard work. Something's been bothering me since I got this, and that thing that's been bugging me is this hole is smaller than this collar, and I didn't want to break the muffler, which is inside inside the housing here of the entire generator, and I didn't want to try and twist this assembly of pipe and break the muffler. Well, I found a replacement that's pretty darn close through Steiner Tractor Parts, and I thought, you know, I'm bored today, there's nothing to do, it's Sunday, let me try and get this exhaust off here. Now, I don't know if we can see this on the cowling here. This is wax, and one of the best penetrants for coarse thread like this when it gets rusted is wax and heat. So we can see right here there's a distortion from me banging on it with a ball-peen hammer. I held the side of the pipe and pushed that way with my right hand and smacked this portion here with my left hand. I just got back from Lowe's and this thing came loose. Now if I were to try and tighten this one full turn again clockwise, I'd be in a mess. And I'm very surprised that this thing came out of here. So I went to Lowe's and I found a piece of a length of 1.5 inch pipe. This is what the plumbers, I'm not a plumber, but you know, it's called 1.5 inch, and I think that goes by the ID. And so this threads into the top of the muffler, and I think I'm just going to go hand tight to there, because over time vibration and heat is going to lock this thing in further, and then I can put my cap on the top, and when the engine cools down it's not going to breathe air in and, you know, get condensation in whichever cylinder has an open exhaust valve. That's just a, you know, a precaution to keep things in working order. So this is a good thing. I need to take the cowl off because somebody bumped the cowl at the control end with something and it's bent, and that needs to be straightened out. I never keep this cap on tight, it's just loose. That's it, so that I can get it off. And then later, if I buy a pipe wrench, which is something I don't have because I don't do plumbing, I can either spring for another 1.25 inch elbow like this and a short length of pipe, which is there. Then I can screw that on and point the exhaust in whichever direction I choose. So that's a good little fix. I am excited that the the original muffler didn't break, and so let's take a look at it right now. So that's the muffler, and behind that expanded steel is asbestos. So I don't want to disturb it. It's probably friable anyway, and it probably sheds asbestos fibers, but I don't want to mess with it, so it's gonna stay put. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope everybody has a good Sunday. Later.